How to box a Human Touch Super Novo 2.0 massage chair. You will need all original packaging materials and shipping tape to complete this process. To get started, plug in the chair, then power it on. Next, power on the remote, then press and hold the back down button to recline the chair as far as it will go. Once the chair is fully reclined, press and hold the legs down button to lower the foot and calf massager as far as it will go. Now, select the manual icon on the main menu, select Meeting, press the menu button twice, then press and hold the down position button to move the massage mechanism to the bottom of the track. The status screen displays the massage mechanism location. Place the remote on the chair seat. Next, power off the chair, then unplug it. Place the power cord on the chair seat. Now, grip the lower and top edges of one of the side panels, then gently tip the chair onto its side, resting on a protective mat or blanket. Slide the edge of the bottom box tray under the chair, then tip the chair to the upright position, resting inside the box tray. Lift the foot and calf massager out of the way, then, with one person gripping the front of the side panels and the other gripping the headrest, center the chair in the box tray. Next, place the rectangular cardboard box under the foot and calf massager, then lower the massager onto the box. Cover the chair with the large plastic bag. Now, place the 4 cardboard and foam corner pieces with the foam facing the chair and the base of the triangle aligned with the end of the box. Place the pyramid-shaped box upside down on the backrest. Place the smaller of the 2 remaining wedge-shaped pieces between the backrest and the rear shroud, with the foam facing downward, then pull the plastic bag down to cover the chair. Place the backrest support behind the backrest with the flat side facing outward. Next, lower the outer box over the chair, seating the edges inside the bottom tray. Place the final wedge piece over the foot and calf massager, with the foam facing downward and the flat edge facing outward. Place the cardboard panel on top of the chair, close the box end flaps, then close the side flaps. Use shipping tape to tape the box seam at each end of the chair. Now tape the box from one end panel across the top seam to the other end panel. Holding one of the plastic straps near the fastener, slide the strap under one end of the box. Position the strap about a foot from the end of the box. Holding the fastener in one hand, fold the other side of the strap backward onto itself. Feed the fold through the fastener, open the fold, then bend the fastener tab through the fold. Pull the strap until the box is tightly secured. Strap the other end of the box, cut the excess strapping, and you're done.